You know what? If I'm gonna be honest with you, out of all the condos I handle here in New Valley Greenfield area, Zadia really stands out. Why? Because of its strategic location. Remember, we handle all developers, pero there's really something about this condo that I really love. Hindi lang actually something, a lot of things. And isa na doon is the prime location. It's really located in a very strategic place. Walking distance lang sa malls, ang lapit lang sa expressway, and talagang malapit dun sa mga places kung saan ka pwede makakuha ng potential tenants like universities and Laguna Technopark. So keep watching if you want to learn the reasons why Zadia is really one of the best investments you can make today. Everyone, it's Earl, the Dynamic Realtor. For some of you na nakatutok na dito sa channel natin, thank you so much. Medyo nagpahinga lang tayo na konti, but now we're back here on YouTube, and this the very first project I'm gonna feature. Dahil it's been a while since we featured Zadia, I'm really happy to give you a glimpse. Ano na bang itsura niya ngayon? Yung amenities ba under construction na? Ano na itsura ng Tower 3? And of course, I would like to say congratulations to all my clients who got a unit here sa Towers 1, 2, and 3 because nag-appreciate na yung value ng properties nila dito. Yung iba, pinapaupahan na yung units nila. And ngayon, nasa Tower 4 na tayo. Ito yung nasa pre-selling stage. Kaya marami pa tayong aabangan because 5 towers ito in total. Kaya it's never too late for you kung ngayon mo lang napanood tong Zadia or kung ngayon ka pa lang nag-iisip mag-invest. Take this as a refresher video. Kung hindi mo pa alam kung saan to Zadia, so ito ay malapit lang sa Calax or Cavite Laguna Expressway sa Laguna Boulevard exit. Paglabas ng Laguna Boulevard sa Calax, dumiretso lang kayo dito sa New Valley. Sundan nyo lang yung New Valley signage. Then ito na yung New Valley flyover. So mas madali na talaga ngayon going to New Valley and Greenfield area. Because of this, nabawasan na yung congestion lalo na dun sa intersection ng Technopark at ng Calax. After the New Valley flyover, you will reach the intersection of New Valley and you will just turn left going to Greenfield City. This is Ayala Mall Soledad 1, and dyan yung man-made lake where you can ride a boat and feed the koi fish. Then in just a moment, we will reach Greenfield City. So andito yung Vista Mall. Literally, tabi-tabi lang yung major developments here in the area. Yung mga malalaking developers, yung mga brands na to na also found in Manila, nandito na talaga sila ngayon sa next Makati or next BGC, which is Santa Rosa, Laguna. And just like that, ilang seconds lang from New Valley's intersection, ito na ang Greenfield City. And once you reach this overpass, makikita mo rin yung signage ng Greenfield. And hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa Paseo, going to Zadia, because andito na siya sa road na ito. It's called Grasslands Drive. And andito na si Zadia. So ito yung gate. Then here's Tower 1. Here's Tower 2. May mga nakatira na dyan sa 1 and 2. Then sa Tower 3, kita nyo naman almost complete na siya. And the clubhouse is now ongoing construction. It will be finished by Q4 of this year, 2025. Yan. And of course, kung naghanap ka ng pre-selling property, hindi ka nagmamadali, gusto mo magaan yung payment terms, this is the perfect option for you. Tower 4. Kita nyo naman, lupa pa lang. Like kung sinasabi sa mga vlogs ko, nag-i-invest ka dapat dun sa wala ka pang nakikita. because magaan pa ang payment terms na yon. So, by the time na matapos to, mas mabigat na siya. Katulad ng Tower 3 ngayon, meron pang kaunting units pero 6 months to pay na lang. Kaya, medyo mabigat para sa iba. Tower 4 will rise here, then Tower 5 will just be almost beside Tower 3. So, the amenities will suit every lifestyle. Meron tayong swimming pool, we have a pool deck, indoor basketball court, outdoor basketball court, tennis court, which is also convertible to a football court. We also have gazebos, pocket parks, and grand building lobby. Kada building merong separate lobby na parang hotel. And inside the lobby, kita nyo naman na meron ding greenery because Greenfield City is really true to their promise and to its name. Now, before I show you the sample dressed up models inside the Tower 1, let me show you again the sample bare deliverable unit. So, ano ba yung mga unit mix dito sa Zadea? So, dito, puro studio units ang ino-offer nila between 23 to 31 square meters, pero majority ng units nasa 24.9 square meters. Katulad nitong sample bare unit na to. As you can see, ito yung ito-turn over sa'yo na countertop. So, it's very neat. So, very flexible, depende kung magkaroon ka ng mga upgrades or renovations. And I really like the layout here. And ang ganda ng source of natural light and ventilation mo because it's not just a normal window. It's a sliding door going to your balcony. So, para mas ma-appreciate nyo, here's a sample turnover unit. I know it's hard to imagine kapag walang furniture and appliances and nasa showroom lang kasi tayo. Kaya let's visit Tower 1, pasok tayo para mas ma-appreciate nyo the lobby and the finish of the condo and of course a sample dressed up unit. I really like the fact that Greenfield Development Corporation is serious in its commitment in providing green communities for its residents and investors. As you can see, even the lobby is just like a lobby of a hotel, di ba? Meron din greenery kasi nasa loob siya ng Greenfield City. Just because you live in a condo, it doesn't mean na puro structure and concrete jungle lang yung makikita mo. So, tignan natin ulit yung model unit natin here in Tower 1 para magkaroon kayo ng idea and inspiration paano yung pwedeng ma-maximize yung studio unit here. So, I'm sure you missed this. This is our model unit here in Tower 1. This is a studio unit. So, lahat ng nakikita nyo rito, some of them I improved or upgraded na. So, what I like about their unit is maganda na yung tiles. So, you don't need to change the tiles. So, hindi mo na siya kailangan patungan ng... It's still up to you. Pero for me, okay na siya. It's really flexible. Versatile siya. Depende kung ano yung maging interior design or the mood or the feel that you want to have inside your unit. So, this is included upon turnover. Note that this unit, this model is 23.65 square meters. Pero ang typical natin na unit here is 24.9. So, mas luluwag to. Ng more than 1 square meter. So, ito naka-attach to here. Nagkataon lang maliit kasi ito eh. So, inusod nila para for the door. So, this is attached to the wall. Then, this is just an idea, pero at least para mayroon kang freedom, you can customize it your way. Some people don't need this. Some people need this because iba kailangan magluto, iba hindi naman. So, pero at least para magkaroon ka ng inspiration, this is one way to design your unit. Now, for some of you, masyadong malaki itong ganitong cabinet. But again, this is just an idea. As you can see, pwede mong balikan yung bare na unit na pinakita ko. Wala naman to. So, it's up to you if you want to put an office table here or maybe a vanity area. Kung di mo masyado kailangan ganito kalaking cabinet, marami na rin space maximization techniques for interiors. Some utilize storage boxes underneath the bed. Yung parang kasama na siya sa bed frame. Pwedeng pag ganito kasi yung bed mo, pwedeng pag ganun din. It's up to you paano. And maraming spaces ka pang pwedeng ma-maximize dito. And ito naman, you can also copy this. Pero some people, they don't need that much shelves. Yung iba kailangan lang ng small dining table, then yung mga medyo subtle lang din ng mga bookshelves. Ayan. Pero pwede yung TV mo rin, pero naka-ano na siya mismo sa wall. Ayan. So what I really like about Zodiac condos is meron siyang balcony because other condos wala eh. So yeah. Yeah, tingnan natin ano yung view dito. Alam mo yung after work, you're so tired, diba? You just want some peace and quiet. This is really perfect for that moment. You can just sip a cup of coffee, a cup of tea. If you smoke, you can smoke here. Pero ang ganda lang na may ganito kang place or safe space sa unit mo. Or if you're an investor na gusto mong paupahan siya, this is really a great unique value proposition you can offer to your potential tenant. So, your unit could be facing Greenfield City. Ito yung sample na yun, facing Greenfield City. Everything you see here is part of Greenfield City. So, you can see Paseo Premier Hotel, Paseo, yung may mga blue na roof. Tapos, yung ongoing construction, that's Vivere or Vivere Hotel. The one that's also found in Alabang. Then at the back of Paseo Premier Hotel, that's the Medical City South Luzon. So sobrang may immediate access ka talaga sa healthcare when you retire or when you live here. Check natin tong bathroom. So what I like about this is really spacious talaga yung bathroom niya, unlike other condos na parang ang hirap gumalaw. Kasyang-kasya ang washing machine. This is if ever gusto mong mag-laundry here. Although meron namang mga laundry shops nearby if you don't want this. And this is just an idea. So pwede mong kopyahin. Pero ang maganda rito, ito talaga yung actual. Nasa condo tayo mismo sa Tower 1. Ito mismo yung actual deliverable unit natin sa tiles ng bathroom and yung wall. Now, para kanino ba ang Zodia? So this is for both end users and investors. So kung end user ka, gusto mo nang mag-move out sa Metro Manila because it's polluted, congested, sobrang traffic, and you want a suburban community, pero ayaw mo na house and lot, gusto mo ng condo living pa rin, easy access sa lahat, and you don't want to drive everywhere you go, this is really ideal for you, especially kung early nesters pa lang kayo, or maybe you're a single man, single woman, or couple. No, this is really perfect kasi easy access ka lang talaga sa everyday needs mo. Hindi ka maninibago kung galing kang Manila. Or for example, marami akong clients na they're based abroad. They're citizens already in the US or in Europe or other countries. Pag umuwi sila sa Pilipinas, yung iba ayaw na mag-hotel or ayaw na sa Manila. They want to stay in the suburbs like Laguna. Because dito, malapit lang sa Tagaytay, maraming mga leisure activities na pwedeng gawin na wala sa chaotic side of Metro Manila. And aside from end users, for investors as well, because this is really very strategically located. Kita mo naman sa map, pag tinignan mo sa Google Maps, walking distance lang sa Vista Mall, no, sa Paseo de Santa Rosa, Ayala Mall Soledad. And there's a reason kung bakit nandito yung mga universities, top universities in the Philippines. Like UST, may Mapua, it's just one exit away. Yung LaSalle, around 5 minutes away lang din. The LaSalle University Laguna Campus, no, magkakaroon pa ng UE. Yung UST, tapos na yung first building nila, no, na-feature natin before. And sobrang daming schools. And there are over 200 companies dito sa Laguna Techno Park alone. So meron pa tayong Toyota Motor Philippines, meron pang Greenfield Auto Park, maraming planta rito. What does it mean? Maraming expats in the area. So maraming foreigners, and those foreigners are looking for a place to stay for 6 months or a year or even more because they have been assigned here in the Philippines for quite a period of time to do some management or to supervise some operations. Diba? So meron kang market, whether students, professors, employees, or expats. So kung gusto mo ito ibenta sa future, nasa Tower 4 pa lang tayo ngayon, pag natapos na yung Tower 5, and mind you, no, nasa floor number 9 or level 9 pa lang tayo sa Tower 4. Every once in a while, naglo-launch sila ng panibagong floors. There are 18 floors in total. So every time na tumataas, nabubuksan yung mga floors, pataas ng pataas ang price. And every 15 units sold, nagpa-price increase dito na dadagdagan ng 50K yung total contract price. So imagine the value appreciation. Kaya mga clients ko, naku, magkano lang nila nakuha to before. Hindi ko na sabihin ngayon kasi pero anyway, you get the gist. Malayo pa ang mararating ng Santa Rosa, especially meron pa tayong SM Premier, parang Aura Premier sa BGC, meron katabi lang ng Nuvali. This place has so much potential, kaya please don't ever sleep on this. So how much is a studio unit here in Zadia? So for example, your unit is 24.9 square meters, a TCP or total price is 4.9 million. Then ang installment term natin dito is very flexible. Hindi mo kailangan mag-spot 10%. Hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng millions para lang makapag-invest. The initial investment is just a reservation fee of around nasa 28K. Then, 29 months pang tatakbo yung monthly payment mo. So, nasa 28K yon per month. Tapos after nun, ilo-loan mo na siya sa bank. And one thing to take note is that every month, umiikli yung down payment period. So, kung ngayon, as of today, it's April 11, 2025 as we're shooting this vlog. So, nasa 29 months to pay siya. So, next month, by May, 28 months na lang yon. Sa June, 27 months, and so on. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Mas lumiliit yung period, mas bumibigat yung monthly payment. After the down payment, magkano naman yung magiging monthly amortization mo sa bank? So, for 20 years to pay at 7.5% interest, this is a conservative interest rate. Nasa 34,500 per month ang monthly amortization mo. And nasa 115K ang required income. If 15 years to pay naman, nasa 39,700 ang monthly amortization, then the required income is 132K. Another unique feature of Zadia, meron kang option dito to combine 2 studio units. Kasi diba sa ibang condos, bibili ka lang ng isang studio or ng 1 bedroom or ng 2 bedrooms. Dito, you can get 2 adjacent studio units and you have the option kung pwede mo sila i-combine, pwede rin namang separate units sila. So itong sample dressed up unit this is a sample combined units nasa 49.8 square meters. This can vary depende kung ano yung floor area ng dalawang units na nakuha mong available. Swerte ka kung may makita ka pang dalawang available. So the reason bakit may option to combine because Tower 4 is still on its pre-selling stage. So as you can see, di ba, lupa pa lang ngayon yun as of April 2025, yung Tower 4. So pwede pa nilang mabago yung configuration ng mga units. Pero if ever unit owner ka na dito at nagbabayad ka na ng monthly, there will come a time na kailangan mo na i-confirm kung ano yung unit configuration mo if ever meron kang adjacent units. So, dressed up lang ang meron tayo, wala tayong bare. So, para magkaroon ka ng inspiration, how you can transform a bigger unit. Kasi yung iba nabibitin sa 24. For example, for a family of 4 or more, di ba? Kailangan mo ng extra space. Or maybe, pwedeng gawin mong living/bedroom tong isa, then a separate bedroom for the masters. So just like the studio unit, may mga upgrades for idea lang siya. Pero this is one way to set it up. Yan, pwedeng living area, then pwedeng isa na lang yung bathroom mo. So, lumaki yung living space. Instead of dalawang separate rooms, kasi pwede yun eh. Pwedeng dalawang bathroom pa, then pwedeng isa na lang. So, dito at least lumaki yung living space mo, isa na lang yung bathroom. Then, here, meron kang bedroom. And naging parang 1BR siya. And ganun din yung mga typical sizes ng mga 1BR na sa 49 to 50, di ba? Sa ibang location. Right? So, and maganda pa dyan, meron kang dalawang balcony. No? Pwedeng yung living, your kids, or maybe your guests can enjoy your balcony. And you, as the owner of the unit, you can have your own personal balcony. Look at this feature. Pwede nyo itong gawin sa unit nyo. You have dual access. So, may access syempre si common and may access si masters. Diba? Kung halimbawa isa lang yung gagawin mong bathroom, so this is a smart way to utilize your unit. Kasi at least nagkaroon ka pa ng walk-in closet dito because you were able to utilize the space. Now, how much would it be if you get 2 combined units? So, since nasa around 5 million on average ang isang studio, so doblehin mo lang yun, nasa 10 to 10.2 million depending on the floor area of the 2 units that you got. So for example, 10 million. So the down payment is only 17%. So wala ring spot DP kahit combined. That's a good news. So ang 17% natin is spread out mo pa yon ng 29 months. So that would be around 57K monthly down payment. So first is reservation fee, nasa 57K din yon. Then 57K per month for 29 months. So more than 2 years to pay. There's a lot of time for you to prepare. Then the balance can be loaned via bank financing. If 20 years to pay, the monthly amortization would be around 67K with an income requirement of 220,000 pesos. If 15 years to pay naman, the monthly amortization is around 77,000 with an income requirement of 260,000 pesos. I hope you enjoyed my comeback here on YouTube because I miss doing this so much. So yeah, hopefully nagkaroon kayo ng refresher about Zedia. So kailan ang turnover nito pala? Ang turnover ng Tower 4 is in the quarter 4 of 2027. Yung amenities natin matatapos yan ng quarter 4 of this year, 2025. So as usual, if you have questions, if you want to learn more, or you want to schedule a viewing here in Zedia, don't hesitate to contact me on my mobile number here. That's my Globe, Viber, and WhatsApp, 0956-356-2753. And don't forget to click that bell button and the subscribe button para lagi kayo updated sa mga bago naming uploads. I'm gonna give you a new Valley and Greenfield update para makita niyo mga latest na mga happenings here, yung mga ongoing construction, ng mga developments to watch out for that will really validate why investing here in Santa Rosa is really a good idea. So once again, this is Earl, the Dynamic Realtor, showing you premium properties you deserve.